Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Razer Synapse and confirming your device is connected. This is critical because Synapse controls profiles and effects. Once Synapse is open, select the device tile, make sure firmware updates are applied, and choose a profile to edit. If you see multiple devices, pick the one you want to change. Do this now so you can modify zones immediately. There is no need to pause. Proceed directly into the lighting module to start assigning colors and effects. Once done selecting the lighting tab, set whether you want per key control, zones, or a global color. This choice determines precision versus simplicity. Use the color picker or enter a hex code for exact hues and adjust brightness and effect speed to match ambient lighting. If you want motion, pick a wave or ripple, then layer another effect in advanced mode to combine static colors with animation. Make sure to preview changes so you can fine-tune transitions and timing before saving the profile. When you finish adjusting colors, save the profile either to the cloud or to onboard memory so settings persist. Then, enable Chroma Connect to synchronize lighting across apps and other devices if desired. If colors do not apply, restart Synapse and reconnect the device. Make sure firmware and drivers are current. As a single key fix, reinstall Synapse and reboot. This resolves most conflicts. If problems persist, try a different USB port or test the device on another system to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.